Good day, Kamalam Siphelo, founder at the Milk Restaurant, Khayelitsha Experience. I think it's very important that we hold some seminars once a month because there are a lot of businesses in the township that are struggling, especially small businesses. So with the guidance of the supporting structure, NetBank, from the other relevant stakeholders, it gives hope to us as small businesses. I think it was a great experience in a way that a lot of people were touched with what I said and the points that I covered, which is there are stories that are being told or that are being said on the media. So I think I've covered most of the side that is not exposed to the business people in the township. To everyone that is starting something, I think we need to realize or start making it fashionable for people to fail, because there's nothing wrong in failing. Failing means you are one step achieving whatever you want to achieve. There are a lot of lessons to get from failing, unlike someone who has never started anything. I think we just need to normalize people who are failing.